How to download Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or laptop. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you use Adobe After Effects for free on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open any browser on your system. So I'm opening the Chrome browser. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for adobe.com. Okay, so after you type that, you'll have to hit the enter button from there. Alright, so after you open the Adobe official website, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the option view all apps. So simply click on it. And now from here, you'll have to find the After Effects app. So simply you have to find it and go the options like free trial. So simply click on the free trial option. Alright, so now from here to use the Adobe After Effects for free for longer days, you'll have to go the option business. And now from here, as you can see, here is 14-day free trial, and then you have to pay $89.99 to get license and use the app for monthly trial. So for that, you'll have to choose one subscription from here, and after that, you'll have to click on continue. Alright, so I have not set or connected my bank credential to this website, so this error is happening to me. So in your case, you have to connect your credit card or debit card from there, and you'll be able to use that app on your device for free up to 14 days, and then you have to pay the specific dollars for that subscription. So this is the easiest and simplest method to download and get the Adobe After Effects on your PC or laptop. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.